Guys, welcome to the workout. Okay, we are going to do some fun movements today. I want to teach you guys how to do the explosive athletic movements. We're going to start with the dynamic warm-up. Just copy what I'm doing on the video here, okay? Dynamic warm-ups are great for before you train, okay? And then that static stretching, that stretching you hold, that we want to save for the end of the workout when your muscles are nice and warm, so you're not going to pull anything. And the great thing about not doing a static stretch before you work out is static stretching does reduce your power output, okay? And for these workouts, we want lots of power. We don't want to be reducing that, okay? So that's why we say that dynamic warm-ups, okay? We're just getting everything warmed up here. We're just like doing some moving and getting some blood flow to the muscles and everything. And we're prepping to go into these moves that you would normally do with like a heavier dumbbell or even some of them with barbells. But I want to show you how to do it with a water bottle because form is so important when you start learning your triple extension movements and these other athletic movements, okay? We want to make sure you have the form down so you don't get injured. Alright, so first we are starting with clean pulls. You're going to let those water bottles just hang right about knee level, and then as you pull your elbows up to the ceiling, you're going to pop up with your feet. You're going to do like a little jump, okay? That's where your power comes from. You're going to power it up. Okay, next we are going into a push press, like the shoulders, okay? Now, I'm not just pushing that weight up with all my shoulder strength. I am like bending my knees a little bit, and then I'm popping it up. My power is again coming from the lower body. You just want to pop it up. Okay, next we're going into an explosive dumbbell row. Okay, this is like a regular dumbbell row, but see how I'm popping my feet and I'm doing it fast. Okay, so you just want to pop those up fast, like pop, pop, pop. All right, good job. Because once you can, as you get this form down, you can go heavier weight. I mean, there's nothing wrong with going heavy weight and doing 5 reps. That's what's going to increase your power and your speed. All right, next we're doing a one-arm snatch. Normally you would hold a dumbbell like this, okay? And you're just going to hang like, it's kind of like almost touching the floor. You're going to pull that elbow up and then boom, fire your hand up above your head. And it's like you're getting underneath your hand, okay? Or the water bottle. You want to get underneath it, okay? Keep that core nice and tight. This is probably the most awkward one of all of them. It took me so long to learn the form on that. It's just weird. Okay, explosive rear delts is next. Okay, so this one, you're just bent over with a straight back, and you're just popping the water bottles up. It's kind of like you're rowing them fast, popping them up. And then we're going into a kettlebell swing, and